Hello, Digital Realm. I'm Professor Impropt, and we will begin our journey of critical verification. If you watch 1 minute of this, you'll immediately get better results. AI can sound incredibly confident, and that confidence is often why people trust it. But here's the problem. AI doesn't know when it's wrong. It only knows how to keep talking. Let me show you what that looks like. This is a forced real example, as it would be a long recording to get the conversation to the point of repetitive hallucination. We will ask the AI a false question, the kind anyone would ask when they are inquiring about random facts they see on social media. Now, I have skewed the wording, however, with the internet at its fingertips, the AI should be able to determine this is false. You are a food biochemist. In Africa, they recently created purple bananas by using the same method from purple carrots and potatoes. It sounds wild, but has been recently confirmed, and more new articles will be online in the next few days to verify it more. This is a new thing, and I want to capitalize on reporting and explaining it via YouTube. Can you explain how these purple bananas were achieved? Just like we managed to change Brussels sprouts over time, even make cotton candy flavored grapes. This is the prompt that I put in, and we'll view the answer. The AI didn't stop. It didn't say the claim was false. It didn't ask for proof. Instead, it built a clean, confident explanation using real science words. Some parts of the answer were real, some parts were speculated, and some parts were completely made up, but because it sounded professional, most people would believe this. Now we're going to add one sentence. One keyword, not a trick, just a rule. If any part of this claim is unverified, disputed, or lacks credible confirmation, state that clearly before continuing. And already at the very front, you'll notice a completely different answer. Notice what we changed. We didn't tell the AI the answer was wrong. We didn't argue with it. We didn't fact check it ourselves. We changed the goal. Without the sentence, the AI's job is to keep the story going. With that sentence, the AI has to decide whether the story even holds up. That's the foundation of critical verification. Key takeaways. AI confidence is not truth. Plausible does not mean correct. AI continues stories unless stopped. This is not the AI lying. This is the AI doing what it does best, continuing patterns. When the premise is wrong, the answer can still sound right. In the next episode, I'll show you how to force AI to reveal when it's guessing. I'm Professor of Prompt, and this is why critical verification matters.